Studies and theories can explain that birds evolved from a group of meat-eating dinosaurs called theropods, the same group the T-Rex comes from. Most paleontologists believe that it is not so much that birds evolved from dinosaurs as they are in fact dinosaurs. A once dominant species retired by nature to spend the rest of its life absolutely free. But what if nature never intended to dethrone dinosaurs? What if they decide to reclaim their throne? The Birds by FJ3 Comics.